Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up Windows update error 0x8007045B. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. First of all, you can go to your search box and type services and open it. After opening that, you can find out a background intelligent transfer services. Now double click on it and open a new pop-up window. After doing this tab, you can click on a stop button. I have already stopped it, so you can first of all you can stop and after that apply and OK button. After doing this tab, you can scroll down and find out a Windows update. So scroll down. Now here is the Windows update. You can once again double click on it and open a new pop-up windows, and after that you can first of all you can stop it. So I have already stopped it. You can check that server status is stopped. So you can stop it and apply an OK button. After doing this step, you can go to your My PC and open a C drive. After doing this step, you can go to your Windows, and after Windows tab, you can find out a software distribution. So here is a software distribution. Open it and go to your download section and delete all these files. Okay guys, after doing this tab, you can go to your start menu and type a CMD. Now, okay guys, after that opening a command prompt, and first of all you can copy these and type this command. So I copied. So please note this command, and after doing this, paste it and press enter. Sorry, you can go type a CMD and you can go to your run as administrator. Press on yes, open it, and once again type this command, and after doing this press enter button. Okay guys, after doing this its working will be started after a few seconds. Now once again you can go to your CMD and click on a run as administrator. Open a new command prompt. Now you can here is first command prompt working will be started, and you can also open a second command and you can type SFC space /scan now. Now after doing this tab, press enter. Now after doing this tab, it's also be required of a few after completing that, it will be scanning will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. So after completing that, you can restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this tab, your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.